The action word of today is creative one. Let's see what it is. In today's Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have oynamaq. Oynamaq. Oynamaq can mean to play, to dance, or to act. Let's see those in action. To play a game, to dance to music, to act on a stage. Now, to play a game, oyun oynamaq. Oyun is a game. Musiqiyə oynamaq. Musiqi is a music. When you dance to it, musiqiyə oynamaq. Səhnədə oynamaq. Səhnə is a stage. Səhnədə on stage. When you act, səhnədə oynamaq, that's what called. Let's see those in sentences. Bu axşam oyun oynamaq istəyirəm. I want to play a game this evening. Any game, whether it's board game or not, you can call it oyun oynamaq. This evening, bu axşam istəyirəm. See how I say it? We write istəyirəm. I say istəyirəm. I want. Bu axşam oyun oynamaq istəyirəm. Let's see what else we want. O səhnədə oynamaq istəyir. Or istəyir if you want to say it. Now, he wants to act on a stage. Remember, he, she, o, I chose he. Səhnədə, on stage. Oynamaq istəyir wants to act. All right, that was my way of using oynamaq in Azerbaijani sentences. I have another one for you, much more fun way, I guess, or easier to retain the word. My schedule says work. My brain says oynamaq. That was today's word. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for another action word. Until then, you know what to check. Cheers.